What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another one. Guess what? This is week 2. Week 2. Where we're day 4. This is my girl, Kendra. And so we are after lunch, y'all. And look, we did our practical, we did our state exams, and I gotta fix my hand, y'all. Look at her nails. She terrible. But it's all good. So I gotta show y'all this kit that we got though. Like seriously, guys, you have got to see the kit that we got. So guys, this is the kit that we got for school. Okay. I showed y'all this before in another video. We got our manicuring kit right here. And this is the kit that's $500. Y'all nail techs out there, y'all let me know. For those of you who are nail techs, you know. So look, I'm trying to do this with one hand because I flipped the camera around.
Miss Walker, how long do our nails have to be?
So look at this.
They smell like a pile of bullshit!
You get
you don't want them really long. You want them almost like at an active length. Because remember, if it's longer, it's
2 nail glues, a bunch of flimsy. These, look at these. Nail files. The case itself is pretty, but guys. So look. So then you have your polish, your footstone, a mask, another empty bottle that I'm supposed to be putting some lotion in, but I haven't put none in there yet. Some soaking dishes, some buffing blocks. You have your sanitizing jar. These nail tips right here though. What? I took the little paper out that came with it. Let me show you the paper that came in these nail tips. These. And if you guys been following me long enough, you know the type of products that I actually prefer to use. You know. So, you see this? I kind of like this little thing though. I can hold my brushes and stuff in there later on, but I wouldn't be using that. But look at this. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna put you down for a second. So, we got nail buffer. We have some manicuring brushes. We got more manicuring brushes.
She don't want us to
and some buffer. So, y'all, this is the stuff that you get. So, let me know down in the comments below if you think this $500 for this kit is actually worth it, guys.
I can.
She said, I can. I knew you was ready.
So the instructor's ready.
Right up in here, this is where all of that lymph is. This can break down a lot of stuff right up in there. Your nose will start to run because it breaks down all of those things in the body. That's your favorite part. I like to do this where a lot of people will not do this, and that's breaking all of this down. Still in your mood. You be doing it? Okay. Yeah, you felt that crack? Yeah, I wasn't trying to do. Yeah, you need to. I tell you guys to do that on a regular basis. Remember what we do? We use our bodies. And our bodies have to be well enough to continue to work. And if they're not, that's when you have problems. At the end, if they don't rebook you, if they don't want to come back, then that's a problem. Remember, everything we do is to get a sale at the end, or what we call pre-booking.